Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best vacuum for marble floors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum with Automatic Dirt Disposal. You will never know what a wonder a robot vacuum is until you are completely hands-off. The intelligence on the Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum is out of this world. Can you imagine that it empties itself? You see, apart from automatically vacuuming, it goes back to its clean base once the bin is full. Besides, the base can hold 30 bins of dirt. Besides, it has some of the most advanced technologies and hardware. These include Imprint Smart Mapping, iAdapt 3.0 navigation, vSLAM technology, Advanced Dirt Detect, and Virtual Wall. So, you don't need boundary strips to guide the robot. Other important features include sensors that prevent the vacuum from hitting obstacles and falling off stairs and cliffs. Also, you can easily control the vacuum using the iRobot Home app or voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This vacuum perfectly suits marble floors since its rubber brushes are gentle yet pick pet hair and debris fast and efficiently. It also uses a high-efficiency filter to trap over 99% of all allergens. It also uses allergen lock bags designed with 4 layers of allergen blocking ability. So, there is no chance of dust, mold, pollen, and other allergens escaping back to the air. Other benefits of the Roomba i7 Plus include the fact that it goes back to recharge and resumes cleaning without any intervention. Also, you can schedule cleaning to take place even when you're at work. And you can get cleaning reports straight to your phone. Amazing, right? Number 2. Our second best pick is Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro All-in-One Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro 2306A is not just the best vacuum cleaner for marble floors. It's also a safe and superb cleaner for other surfaces. Regardless of whether your floor is laminated, tiled, wooden, carpeted, or cemented, you get to vacuum and mop at a go. Our favorite Bissell 2306A feature is the Pet Multi-Surface Brush Roll. It is tangle-free and uses an inventive nylon and microfiber brush to mop and collect debris simultaneously. This plus its swivel head makes cleaning much more fun. To keep the vacuum safe from clogging, Bissell introduced yet another innovation, the pet hair strainer. This helps to separate all the collected pet hair from the other debris, making emptying much easier as a result. Pros: strong suction. Ideal for pet owners. It's compact and lightweight. The tangle-free brush offers cleaning convenience. Saves time by vacuuming and mopping wet messes simultaneously. It comes with an anti-clog tool, pet hair strainer. It's an all-surface vacuum. 3-year warranty. Cons: no attachments. Not the best for high-pile carpets. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Shark ION F80 Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum with MultiFLEX. If you're looking for the right Shark cordless stick vacuum for your marble floor, this is it. It has amazing suction, it's lightweight, and is also very easy to use. Shark ION F80 has multiple advantages. But the MultiFLEX feature is one of the main reasons it stands out and is listed among the best vacuum cleaners for marble stone floor tiles. Its ability to fold and reach under furniture without requiring you to bend or kneel makes vacuuming seamless. This plus being lightweight turns cleaning into a hobby. Storage also becomes a piece of cake. The vacuum has a small floor head, thus accesses far and tight corners. Besides, it effortlessly converts into a handheld vacuum, making it easier to clean the stairs, furniture, and upholstery. In addition to being cordless, it has an extended wand so you get to reach far areas better. Shark ION F80 MultiFLEX is also equipped with a turbo boost feature which enables you to deep clean and get rid of embedded dirt. The suction is sufficient and consistent, and you have up to 80 minutes cleaning time using both batteries. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.